How's it going, everybody? So I got in a new part for a bike I don't even actually technically have in my possession. The 2021.5 GPX Moto TSE250R. I bought this. This came all the way from overseas. It looks like it contracted through FedEx. It came to TNT Air. Don't know who they are, but they must contract with FedEx. I obviously already opened it. It's from Zeeltronic. I'll have the information in the description, obviously, because, well, that way you know where to get this from, and just email them. They're pretty quick, friendly, and easy to get a hold of. And they will just tell them what bike you have. Tell them you have a GPX TSE250R, and they'll put it together, the computer you need. This is just my invoice. I paid roughly converted $240, I think. Obviously, I paid in euro. Euro then, you know, can always be changing. So with euros always changing, you know, dollars to euros, there might be a variation on the price. So anyways, you'll just have to look and convert it at the time you're looking to purchase this. So we'll take this out. So very important, resistor spark plugs must be used. I'm not 100% sure what a resistor spark plug is. Isn't that your standard plug? I'll have to look into that and see what that exactly means. But this is the computer. He wrote on it that's for a TSE250R. Get a zip tie with it, or a cable tie if you don't use the brand name. And here you go, Zeeltronic. It looks well made. Has that filler rubber stuff, so that's all sealed up. It says PPV-RZ3 TSE250R. Has a rubber plug to keep the water out. I'm assuming that's where you plug in the computer. Or the programmer, I should say. This is the computer. Here's the ends we have. We have that connector. We have... those are closed off with a shrunky-dink tubing and just pinched. And then this guy. This guy is probably ground, I'm guessing. Without having the bike, I really don't know. There you go. There's the name again and the part number. So you're looking for PPV-RZ3. And here is the computer. Obviously, without the bike, I can't show you how it works. This is just unboxing so you guys can, you know, have a look and see what you get when you order this for roughly $240. And this is the programmer and tester. I bought this mainly, I don't quite know all that it does on the GPX. I saw one lower quality video that basically you can adjust the power valve because the power valve needs adjusting. And I guess that improves it drastically. So I figured, why not? I'll buy this and we'll do some videos. Very well packaged. I gotta say that. I mean, you know, it's not just a jumbled mess in the box. So you got a very, very, well, you can't get this on video, but it's a very long cable. So wherever you mount the computer to, preferably so you could easily get at it, this end, and it only connects one way, is going to plug into where the rubber stop is here. And where's the little tab? Tab's that way. And you just push it on like that. Obviously I have no power to this, so I'm not going to be able to program this right now. And you got minus, plus, and enter. Zeeltronic. And it takes a 9-volt battery. Let's see, is there a battery in it? All right, probably not for shipping, so I'll have to put a 9-volt battery in that. But it says battery alkaline E-block 9-volt 6LR61, then a comma, MN1604. So looks like to get the battery in, I'm guessing you just unscrew. Yeah, that's all solid. Just unscrew small screwdriver, open it up, hook up a battery, and have a battery. And then when you need a program, you plug this into the computer component, which hooks to your bike, and then there you go. And now you might be able to program more stuff. I really don't know. And that's why I want to do videos on this, because I think it sounded like this really improves the opening and closing of the power valve, because the cables alone will not adjust it. So this will allow the servo to turn just a little bit more each way to get that spot on to when it's open, when it's closed. And you know, that should help you with the power delivery, you know, because you want that to be precise. So there we have it. Oops, put back in that rubber stop, because that's the only downside. I could see me losing that. And the programmer tester. So that is pretty cool. You know, there's probably not often I'll be using this. Once I have it set up, I'll have it set up, you know. So there we have it. I mean, this is how it comes from Zeeltronic. I'll have the link in the description, and I'll try to pin a link to it. That way some people tend to forget there's a description area. But you can go, they have a Facebook page, they have a website, and I'll put both of those in the description and pin a link in the comment section so you can easily go to it, look them up. And if you're buying one of these bikes where you can do some programming, might as well make it perfect, right? So here you go, and expect more videos to come with me installing that and all that good stuff. And you all have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Take care, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.